How's everybody doing today? I'm here with my good buddy Michael, and we are installing a set of ETS Extreme Axleback muffler delete. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So we are going to be reusing the gaskets, the hardware, and the first step, we're going to get this car in the air. Hey guys, when we go underneath the car, you can see the bolts that we got to remove. And you can see one hanger here. Alright, so when you look it up, you're gonna go on the other side of your can. You'll see your other hanger. So we're gonna start by removing these bolts. First things first, give it a little squirt with a bit of penetrating fluid. Very faithful. Alright, with one side done, we'll get the other side. For the last one there, I couldn't get it with just a straight impact, so I down a size to my 3/8 wiggly wobbly, back up a size to 1/2 inch, and with the impact socket on it. We're the people doing this. We're supposed to make this look easy, mate. Look. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the rubber hanger. It does help to lube her up, but we chose rough and dry for this one. Just like everything, man, when you play with it the right way, she'll come.
Yeah, I know.
Just gotta play with her. And with a bit of lube, she'll slide right out.
She comes, buddy.
With the passenger side done, let's go ahead and remove the driver's side.
And out she comes.
Alright guys, so we got them out. Man, what a size difference. This muffler delete should really waken the car up. Go ahead and slide the new exhaust in the hangers and throw in your hardware.
Dude, that's my bird. Please stop sniffing it.
Hello. What are you doing? What a size difference.
You. The guy should tell you not to worry about.
With one side done, you're going to go ahead and repeat the process on the other side. 660 foot-pounds of torque. Yeah. Hey guys, so we got our exhaust in here. Man, do they look good. There's so much more room down here. Yeah, really nice clean fitment. Even almost all the way around there. Oh yeah. Just purring away. Alright guys, so all that's left to do is take this off the deck.
Sorry.
Alright guys, so all that's left to do is take it off the stands and take it for a test drive. Alright guys, so this is all the tools that we used. Old Faithful, Milwaukee, fuel, mid-impact, just a regular flat top. Nice size pry bar. It's good to have a nice one when you're doing the inside one on the back. It's hard to get your hand up and around sometimes, so it's just nice to give it a little pry there. It's always good to soak your bolts in penetrant before you go at it. You got a 14mm wrench. You got my makeshift thing. It's a 14mm impact, a 1/2 inch drive. So I went from 1/2 inch to a 3/8 wiggly wobbly, back up to a 1/2 inch, so I could get that inside bolt off. So this job is pretty easy if you want to do it in your garage, or if you want to do it in your driveway, that's not a problem. Install time is, if you're steady going at it, probably half hour, 45 minutes-ish, especially if you're new to things. Good tools are very good to have when you're doing stuff like this. I would really invest in one of these guys if you don't have one already. Makes the job a lot easier for a few $100s, especially if you're a do-it-yourselfer. Shop doggy thinks I'm a true toy. Good. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.